Welcome back to Get Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to allow or block notifications in Brave browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Brave browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner, and in the drop down menu select this one settings option. Under Brave settings, select this one privacy and security in the left sidebar. On the right, click on this one site and settings. Now scroll down to this one permissions section and click on this one notifications option. To allow sites to send a notification, select this one first option. Sites can ask to send notifications, and in case you don't want to allow notifications, select this one second option. Don't allow sites to send notifications.